Today I stand before you to share the historical significance of my life and service to the United States of America as the 12th President of the United States. Firstly, I was proud to serve my country as a military officer, earning a reputation for leadership and bravery. From the War of 1812 to the Mexican-American War, I dedicated myself to protecting our nation's interests and defending our sovereignty. Secondly, my military victories, including the Battle of Palo Alto and the Battle of Buena Vista, demonstrated the strength and resilience of our American forces. These triumphs played a significant role in securing victory in the Mexican-American War and shaping the future of our nation. Thirdly, I had the honor of being elected as the 12th President of the United States. My presidency marked a continuation of the westward expansion and the ongoing debates surrounding the issue of slavery. Sadly, my presidency was cut short by my untimely death. On July 9, 1850, I passed away due to an illness believed to be cholera after just 16 months in office. My death was a great loss for our nation, leaving behind unfinished work and the challenge of preserving the Union during a turbulent time. As I reflect upon my life and the legacy I leave behind, I am grateful for the opportunities to serve as the 12th President of the United States of America. May my dedication to military service, bravery, and commitment to duty inspire future generations to rise in service. Let us remember the sacrifices made by those who came before us and work tirelessly to build upon their achievements. May we strive to uphold the principles of liberty, unity, and justice for all Americans.